welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope your family is doing great. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support in my previous videos. I really appreciate it. I'm really trying to put these videos out there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Oh God, who's texting me like that? Don't text me like that. People be texting me like they pay my phone bill. Anyways, I was on Instagram last night, and I saw a video, an Instagram video, an Insta story, an Insta story from Cardi B showing us how she makes Kulture's mask or hair mask. Mask. Oh God. Ugh, my African accent gets on my nerves sometimes, okay? It gets on my nerves. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna try it, because she mentioned that Kulture do have curly hair. Even though she doesn't have curly hair, she still uses it on her hair as well. She have more of a straight, like, textured type of hair, but she still uses it. She mentioned in the video that she uses it. I'm like, okay, that means this recipe is versatile, so for every hair texture, I guess.
So this is really how my hair is. My hair gets like this when you blow dry it, then 2 days later it just gets puffed up like that. Even when you braid it, this is my hair texture. My hair is not curly, so like my daughter's hair is curly. She got like curls or like little coils too, but my shit just don't get curly at all. It's just straight like this. But I still needed moisture, and it's just a good hair mask to help your hair grow. And all the good things that you put in your body, you gotta put it in your hair. You're not gonna put soda in your hair, because of course soda is not good for your body, so it's definitely not good for your hair. And yep, let's keep on going. I'm doing a hair mask for Kulture. This is avocado, and I just finished putting the argan oil. I'm gonna put mayonnaise, castor oil, olive oil. I know it's a lot of oil, but my baby hair gotta be really hydrated like mine's. And I'm about to put egg and honey. It's a lot, right? Well, it's for me and Kulture. Big scoop, big chunky scoop. Honey, and I'm not gonna put that much honey because, you know, since it's a baby, I don't want her hair to be sticky, and she just touches it and weird stuff, you know. Just a little bit, that's it. Guys, wish me luck cracking this egg. And now I'm gonna put a lot of black castor oil. You'll put it all in that bitch. And I'm gonna put it in the blender so the avocado meat, I actually add another extra avocado, so that avocado meat won't be in your fucking head, because it's really hard to take avocado chunks off your head. So why not? I'm gonna add a banana, because a banana is really good nutriments to the hair. All of this shit is good for the hair, you know what I'm saying? Another egg. Shake the table. How smooth it is. Now this shit right here is gonna go to for me and my baby's hair. This don't have conditioner, and look how it brings out her curl pattern. This treatment is really good for curl patterns. I don't really have a curl pattern, but my baby does.
cool. Okay, I haven't washed my hair in probably like a week. I twisted it out the other day, and so far I've been liking just rocking my natural hair, but it's like a little bit hard to take care of. I have like a bun in the back, so I'm gonna take that out. She mentioned in the video that this recipe is good for people that want to revive their curls back. I like my hair to just have its natural curl pattern. Ever since I damaged my hair, as I talked about in my previous videos, and I've been trying to get my curl pattern back. It's been a struggle, but it's coming. It's coming slowly and slowly, and I really appreciate it. Oh god, my African accent again. This is what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna try to detangle all of it, and then I'm gonna come back and then show you guys how I applied the mask. This is what the mask look like. It has to be thick like this. I love it. How long she leaves the mask there, but I'm gonna leave it on for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go wash it out. So we are in the bathroom. I am going to wash out this mask. It's officially 30 minutes since I applied the mask. As you can see, my hair, like, so far my hair is so freaking soft. Like, I've never ever seen my hair or felt my hair like this, but I'm gonna wash it out. So far, this is what my hair looks like. I feel like the curls are really defined, like really defined. It's usually not as defined as this. I could see, yeah, it's pretty defined, like really defined. And I'm loving this. So I'm gonna continue with my regular hair routine. So I usually use this for my shampoo. It is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. Oh my gosh, so long, like the name is so long. This one right here. I usually use the same brand, and this is just a conditioner. So I love this conditioner. Like, oh, it makes my hair so freaking soft. Like, you guys, if you don't have this, you guys need to get it. Shea Moisture is just Shea Moisture. If you're out there, send me your products, okay? Sponsor your girl, because I've been faithful to y'all all these years. Do while my conditioner is in my hair, I apply my rice water. So I'm just gonna spritz that all over my hair. Air dry my hair after I wash it. This is what it's looking like right now. I haven't applied anything to it. As you can see, it's looking really shiny, really healthy, and it's looking, it is feeling super soft. This is what the curl pattern looks like. My curl pattern is looking pretty good. I usually apply my leave-in conditioner, and I use the Can 2 Shea Butter conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and I've been using this for years and I love it, so I'm gonna apply that. Then I always seal my hair with my aloe vera oil. If you guys haven't watched that video already, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can watch it, how I make my aloe vera oil. I use this to seal my hair after using the leave-in conditioner, and it's great. As you can see, I could like just rub my fingers through it like so. I don't use too much of the oil because I don't need to, and I usually put it on my edges mostly. I'm gonna style my hair later, but I just wanted to talk about my final thoughts about this mask. This mask was A1. Okay, I would definitely do it again. Every time I'm doing my hair care routine, I would definitely include this mask. Like my hair, I wish you guys can feel my hair, even though, don't touch my hair. Don't touch my hair. But even though like I don't like people touching my hair, but it's so soft, like smooth like butter. I definitely recommend this mask if you have curly hair, even if you have straight hair. And if you have straight hair and you tried this out, please let me know down below. I want to know like your experience, and I want to know how you feel about it. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel so you can watch more videos from me, and let me know what you want to see next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.